How to test your microphone and hear your voice on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to check if your mic is working properly in just a few steps. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, click on System on the left side menu. At this point, click on Sound to open your sound settings. Let me show you. In the next step, scroll down to the Input section and make sure your microphone is selected as the default input device. From there, click on your microphone to open its settings. At this stage, under the Test Your Microphone section, click on Start Test. Following this, speak into your microphone and you'll see a blue bar moving. This confirms your mic is picking up sound properly. Once done, click on Stop Test to finish. The result will show you the percentage of the maximum input volume your microphone recorded. You'll now be able to hear your own voice in real time through your audio output. Here's an important note. If your microphone isn't showing up in the input section, right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar. Click on Sound Settings and scroll down to Advanced. Click on More Sound Settings and check the Recording tab to see if your mic appears there. Finally, if your mic is still not working, make sure it's properly plugged in and the correct input device is selected. Also check that your microphone isn't muted by looking for a mute button on the mic itself or on your headset. And that's it. If this guide helped you test your microphone on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.